Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing your data and access. First, back up to iCloud or your computer so you can restore later. Once done, make sure the iPhone has enough charge or connect it to power. Now open Settings and go directly to General, no detours. You need your Apple ID and password handy because the device will require them to remove activation lock. If two-factor is enabled, be ready to receive that code on a trusted device. You now perform the reset itself. From General, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap Erase all content in Settings. When prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. This confirms you control the device. Next, Apple will ask for your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone and activation lock. Enter it, and if needed, supply the two-factor code. After confirming multiple prompts, the phone will begin erasing. Wait through the progress bars. Do not interrupt. You finish when the iPhone restarts to the Hello/Setup screen. That means erase completed. From here, you can restore your backup or set up as new. If activation lock still asks for the previous owner's Apple ID, you must sign in with that account or remove the device from iCloud. Using that account. If you cannot access the account, make sure you have proof of purchase and contact Apple support. They can assist with removal after verifying ownership.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.